Hello friends, this video on Practical Geometry Part 5 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Let us now look at the type 2 construction of triangle. So in type 2, we are going to talk about those triangles where we are given the lengths of two sides and the angle included between those two sides. So let's say, how do we proceed with this side angle side kind of a triangle? So in this case, our aim is to draw a triangle ABC such that the lengths of AB and AC are given and the measurement of angle A is given. Perfect. So again, let us have a rough sketch in mind. So it is something like this. Let's say you have this triangle where this is A, B and C. So you know the length of A, you know the length of AC and you know the measurement of angle A. So angle A is the angle which is included between AB and AC. So you know AB, AC and the included angle. So in this case, our approach would be something like this. Draw any one given side of the triangle. Now you can draw any one of the given side. So which are the given sides? AB and AC. So you either draw AB or you draw AC. So in this case, we have drawn AC. Now you might ask that why didn't we draw BC first? That's because we do not know the length of BC. Right, so we are just kind of reversing the triangle and drawing it somewhat like this. Let's say we are going to draw it like this, where this point is A, this point is B and this point is C, and A is known to us. So basically I have just rotated the triangle, that's all. So we have drawn this side AC. Now we draw angle A. So how do we draw angle A? Now the measurement would be given. It can be 60 degree, it could be 75 degree, it could be 90 degree. Now whatever the measurement of angle A is, we draw that angle. So how do we draw that angle? Using a compass. So consider A as the center and draw an arc, and then on that arc you draw the desired angle. So let's say in this case we have drawn a 60 degree. So this is how we draw angle A. Perfect. Now what is the other value that is known to us? We have already drawn AC, we have already drawn angle A. So we are left with AB. So B, the point B would be somewhere here, right? Somewhere on this line maybe. So how do we know where the point B will be located? So for that what we do is we draw an arc from A at a distance equal to AB. So that means again you take the compass, adjust its opening by placing it on a ruler such that the opening of the compass is exactly equal to the distance AB or the length of AB. So once you have done that, then you place the compass here and then draw an arc at a distance equal to AB such that this distance, that is the opening of the compass, is exactly equal to AB. And that's how you draw this arc. So this point where this arc intersects this line, this point is nothing but point B. So you join BC and you get a triangle ABC. So here you see this is triangle ABC where this angle is given and these two sides are given. So this would be your approach when you want to draw a triangle with two sides and one angle given. So this is your triangle. Now let us try this one. Construct triangle ABC with BC is equal to 7.5 centimeters, AC is equal to 5 centimeters and measurement of angle C is equal to 60 degrees. So let us quickly have a rough sketch in this case. So here it is said that let's say you have this triangle A, B, C. Now whenever you do this rough sketch, make sure that the side which you draw at the base, that side should be the one whose length is given, because if that length is not given, you cannot draw that line first. So in this case, BC is already given as 7.5 centimeters. Angle C is given as 60 degree and AC is given as 5 centimeters. So these are the given values. So let us draw this step by step. So the first step would be to draw the base, that is nothing but BC. So we draw BC of length 7.5 centimeter. Now what should be the next step? The next step should be to draw the angle C. So we draw angle C which is nothing but 60 degree. So this is how we draw 60 degree. Perfect. Now what would be the third step? That would be nothing but to draw AC. So how do we draw AC? We do the same thing. We take the compass, place it on a ruler, adjust its opening to 5 centimeter, and then you place it here on point C and then draw an arc at a distance of 5 centimeter. So this would be the opening of the compass, and this would be nothing but 5 centimeter. So the point where this arc intersects this line is the point C, and when you join this point C is the point A, and when you join this point A with point B, you get the triangle ABC. So this is how we construct this triangle. So this part is your triangle. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.